In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your Epson XP5200 printer that is printing the blank pages. There are only two reasons your printer is printing blank pages. The one is there is no ink in the ink cartridge, ink is totally used, and the second reason is printhead is clogged. You need to unclog that. Just to check first, we have to go to the printer display panel. Select this drop icon. We can clearly see the ink is there in the cartridges. That means the first reason is not possible. It's only the second reason, the printhead is clogged. So why printhead get clogged? The simple reason is we are not using our printer from long time, and that makes the ink to dry up. So let's clean the printhead. So we are just going to use the automatic printhead cleaning method. Go to the maintenance and select the printhead cleaning. Click on the start. Also load A4 size or letter size paper. It's going to take around 2 to 3 minutes. So just wait for the printer to finish the printhead cleaning. In this process, it will dump some of the ink in the maintenance box. So that means every time we do the printhead cleaning, we lose some ink. Let's see the print result. So you can clearly see all the inks has started to work. Still we have some of the misprints. We can go to the printer display panel. Now if you want, you can just repeat the printhead cleaning again, but definitely it's going to use some of the ink. So just to save the ink, the best is you can go to the screen and select the O. That means everything is okay, and now you can start printing. So this will save the ink. Let's do a printing and I'll see how much improvement is there. Let's see the print result. So we can clearly see it has started to print, although it's missing some of the lines and black ink is not showing that much, but still it's better. So if you want, you can do the printhead cleaning again, or you can also replace or refill the ink cartridges in case you don't have enough ink. Thanks for watching.